twerking car. Nag-twerk pa ba siya? Hindi na siya nag-twerk pa rin. I know it's wrong way, but can you blame a girl? Finally, after a lot of struggle, we made it inside the mall. We're on the way to Muji. Grabe, what an adventure. Dito nyo ma-realize sa mga ganitong adventure na life is worth living. Ulul! That was way too loud. Taray, may thigh gap siya. It's too big for me. Hindi ba siya ano? Maliit yung leg ko. Okay, weird flex. It's just hardened what? And the adventure continues. We're done with Muji. Papunta na kami ng Amano. That's a video. Oh, kind of cute there. Budol ako ni Anne. Me? No, ni Laura. Fuck that bitch. Nabudol nila. Fuck that bitch, Laura. I bought a notebook, a mechanical pencil, even though I already have one, and a pink pen. That I don't need. I feel like we're at Amano. Oh, there's a chef behind me. That's where they make the pizzas.
What?
Look at this, and then look at this.
Oh, God.
You feeling? Something big.
Oh my God.
Huh?
It's Jane.
Alpha ba?
Something is not the same.
How was the Amano experience for you guys?
Of course I love it.
Mid. Very, very mid, actually.
Fuck y'all.
The pizza was great.
Yeah, the pizza's great.
The ravioli sucked ass.
You just ordered the wrong thing.
It would have been like...
No, but her ravioli had the Amano sign on it. Like